Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to make an Infinix account on Infinix Smart 8. Alright, if you guys Infinix user, you must have Infinix account guys. So to make new Infinix account, it's quite easy and I'll show you how. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu first on your phone. So on the top here, you can log in into Infinix ID. You can click start and then here you can make your own account or you can continue with Google. Alright, click confirm and then here you can choose your Google account and your Google account will sync into your Infinix account immediately. And here you can change your ID name or change password and other. Okay guys, so I will edit my user ID and then here I want to verify my password. And when you're done, so this is the final look of my Infinix account. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to make an Infinix account on Infinix Smart 8. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss another interesting video from this channel. Thank you so much for watching.